Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 6 based on triangles. Let us start with the question number 1. P and Q are the points on the sides AB and AC respectively of a triangle ABC. If AB is equal to 2 centimeters, PB is equal to 4 centimeters, AQ equal to 3 and QC equal to 6, prove that BC is equal to 3PQ. So let us draw the figure for this first question. So now if you concentrate properly on this, P and Q are the points on the sides AB and AC respectively of a triangle ABC. So first let us have one triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle here. P and Q are the points on the sides AB and AC. P is a point here and Q is a point here. Let us draw it. Now AB is equal to 2 centimeters. AB is given for as 2 centimeters. PB is 4. This is 4. And AQ is 3 and QC is 6 centimeters. Now prove that BC is equal to 3PQ. So now let us concentrate on this part first. AP by PB, if you check it out properly, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. And similarly AQ by QC, AQ by QC is equal to, it is 3 by 6, that is also equal to 1 by 2. So in triangle ABC, according to the converse of basic proportionality theorem, if you observe properly, in triangle ABC, right, AP by PB is equal to what I got now? AQ by QC, right? Got it clearly? Next, so according to this part, converse of basic proportionality theorem, since the ratios are divided, since the sides of the ratios are proportional, hence the line is parallel to the third side. That means it is PQ parallel to BC. This is according to converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now we got PQ parallel to BC. So now according to this part, now let us concentrate on triangle APQ and triangle ABC. Complete one. Okay, from triangle APQ and triangle ABC. Now since PQ is parallel to BC, that means this angle will be equal to this angle, right? Corresponding angles part, even this part will be equal to this one, right? So now here we got it clearly that from triangle APQ and triangle ABC, we have that angle A is equal to angle A, that is common one, and angle APQ is equal to angle ABC. Angle APQ is equal to angle ABC, and angle AQP is equal to angle ACB. Angle AQP is equal to angle ACB. So according to AA similarity part, AAA similarity criterion, we can tell that triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. So if they are similar, the ratios of their sides are proportional. So in that case, what I can write now? AP by AB is equal to PQ by BC is equal to, of course you can take the third one, that is AQ by AC. So first let us concentrate on this two part, that is AP by AB is equal to PQ by BC. First let us concentrate on this. Now AP, so here according to the triangle we have 2 and AB will be the combination of AP and PB, that is 4 plus 2, that is 6. So complete AB will be here 6 centimeters. Similarly, if you want complete AC, that will be something like 9 centimeters. So now AP by AB, so AB is 2 and AB is 6. So here AP 2 by 6 is equal to PQ by BC. So this one time is 3 times. So I am left with right now is 1 by 3 is equal to PQ by BC. So on cross multiplication, I will be left with 3PQ is equal to BC. Right? 3PQ is equal to BC. 3PQ is equal to BC. That is what you have to prove. Now let us come to the next question. So when you see the next question here, in the given figure, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is clearly given for us. So show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So here also, see, first let us take the given condition, that is QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. Okay, so this is the given condition for us, and also it is clearly mentioned that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So now in triangle PQR, see the triangle PQR, in that it is clearly here we are having given part that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If angle 1 is equal to angle 2, obviously the opposite sides will be equal. That means what? If you observe this in triangle PQR, this part is equal to this, that means PR is equal to PQ, right? PR is equal to PQ. Now substitute the same thing in the given equation. So given part what we have here, that is name it as equation number 1. So what I will be left with now? QR by QS is equal to QT or TQ by here PQ. So when you just reciprocate them, I will be left with PQ by PQ, that is equal to QR by QS, right? We will name this as equation number. Now consider triangles PQS and triangle TQR. Okay, now consider triangle PQS and triangle TQR. Okay, PQS and triangle TQR. We got second equation clearly here, that is PQ by TQ is equal to QR by QS. This already we got it here. And also we can, if you observe properly, this angle Q is common for triangle PQR, PQS and triangle TQR. That means angle PQS is equal to angle TQR. Right? This is common. So according to SAS, so from SAS similarity criteria, what can you write? Triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. This is what you have to prove. This completes second question part. Now let us start with the question number 3. Now D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So let us draw the figure for this one first. Then we will come across this point. So now D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. So ABC is a triangle. Here is a point D. Join this. This is the point D. Now join this. Now here after this, what is given for us? Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. It is clearly given for us. Given part is angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Okay. Now let us consider two triangles here. What are the two triangles we will take? Let us take the triangles. Consider the triangle ABC and triangle DAC. Consider these two triangles, right? Okay, triangle ABC and triangle DAC. So from these two triangles, it is already clearly given for us that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Angle ADC part, ADC is equal to angle BAC, it is given for you. Or if you write in a similar manner, that is angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Both are same. Just since I wrote first triangle ABC, that's why I just wrote in the reverse manner. This is already given for us. And next, if you concentrate here, C is a common angle for both. What is that angle C here? The C is a common part. That means angle BCA is equal to angle DCA. Since it is a common angle for both, and it is already given for us. So now from these two conditions, if you observe properly, it is since given part and this is common angle. So according to AA similarity criteria, so what can you write here? We can write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. Now if triangles are similar, ratios of the sides are proportional. So what can I write according to this? I can write it as AB by DA AB by DA is equal to CB. CB by CA is equal to here CA by CD, right? According to this part. Now, let us concentrate on these two here clearly. That is CB by CA is equal to CA by CD. Cross multiply. So what I will be left with now? CA square is equal to CB into CD. This is what you have to prove. So I think this is the condition that I have to prove here, that is CA square is equal to CB into CD. So this is the question number 3 that I have to prove it. Thank you.